This is Self-Care with Brod. I'm Broderick Hunter. Does anybody in this comment section have like any first impressions, like what people first see you as, or what are the first thing they notice about you? For some reason, people are really infatuated with my eyebrows. I don't know why. Today, it's all about teeth. As an actor and a model, smiling has been such an important part of my life, my everyday career. I'm catching myself smiling in interviews, or I'm always asked to smile in a photo shoot. One thing I always make sure that's right outside of my hair, skincare, hands and nails, but my teeth, oil care is such a big part of my brand, and I feel like it's something that everybody should take seriously. I would always try to find ways like, the everyday flossing and brushing my teeth 3 to 5 times a day as your dentist would recommend, but I move around too much. I can barely do that. It would always be a new product like a teeth whitening strip or a mouthwash or something like that would be coming out, and that would say it'll whiten your teeth and stuff. But I personally never kind of took that stuff serious. But I don't know if you guys remember, earlier last year I did a few Insta stories for this brand called HiSmile, and I was kind of intrigued to actually try the teeth whitening device and do the whole teeth whitening routine thing, because on Instagram you see a lot of advertisements for a lot of those things, and I was never the type of person to be like, oh, I'm actually gonna go try that, because I never really took it seriously, honestly. I will say that after actually talking about HiSmile and using HiSmile, my teeth I've actually seen great results with my teeth getting much more wider and much more bright, where I'm actually getting more compliments on my teeth. By the 3rd time I used the teeth whitening device, I started seeing my teeth as white as they can possibly get. Even outside of going to the dentist, my teeth whitening sessions and stuff, this in between those sessions every 3 months or so has been very keen to help me keep my teeth white. And they're traveling. You can travel with this one too, and that's what I really liked. Before, I would go to shoots, or if I'm on the way to a shoot, I just pop this in. It only takes 10 minutes. When I got my HiSmile pack, I'm kind of an ingredient whore, so I always look at what's inside something before I either put it on my hair, my skin, my hands, body, whatever, especially in my mouth. I gotta know what's going inside. So when I actually read the ingredients on what is actually in the HiSmile Date and Night toothpaste, it had a bunch of stuff in there that I did research on that actually did cater towards getting a better smile and a brighter smile. A toothpaste, it has a micro shield wax, aloe vera, which is anti-inflammatory, and 5 key minerals like calcium, sodium, potassium, and doesn't have any harmful chemicals. The night side as well, activated charcoal, which I'm sure you guys have heard about what charcoal does for your overall health care, skin, hair, all that. Charcoal is really good. And then other key minerals also, like again, calcium, magnesium, and benetone clay, which detoxifies. So yeah, so I've been using literally the day toothpaste and the night toothpaste in my regimen since I got the HiSmile. It's been really working very well. So after I wake up in the morning and brush my teeth, I plop this bad boy in, and it's like a light bulb. When you get your HiSmile kit, it's gonna come with the actual device, this rubber guard, and 3 different pastes to go with it. You're gonna plop this rubber guard onside the device. Sometimes it might take a second because I'm clumsy. Then you take one of the whitening paste and put it around the guard. You plop this thing on, you turn the light on, and for 10 minutes, it's gonna activate. I saw results after the 1st, 2nd, and even 3rd try, just from after just using this device for 10 minutes. And you can do this at day or night, which makes it really cool. And you guys know I don't like to come up on here leaving you empty-handed, so in the spirit of giving, I wanna give away some HiSmile product to you guys. All you gotta do is hashtag self-care with Brod below, and DM me on Instagram so I can get you guys your own HiSmile kit to try yourself. Yes, that's how we do it. This is Broderick Hunter. This is Self-Care with Brod, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is HiSmile.